Alright guys, just want to show you, we're just going to replace aftermarket suspension. So to do that, we just have to remove this panel here, or the engine panel, to get into the suspension bolt. There's three, so there's 1, 2, 3 in the back here. We'll remove. So basically you just remove this panel. It's just 2 screws. Right here, one I already took off. There's another one here. That's about it. There's nothing underneath here. And then there's one other screw here that's holding. I think this is a ground wire. It's coming off from here. So pretty much, just go ahead and remove that. Slide this out like that, so you don't scratch, and then just pull it out. Yeah, and just put that on the side. We'll put that back on once we replace the suspension. And yeah, so let's go ahead and just get those the two bolts removed. So alright, sorry guys, just gonna be a little bit, try to maneuver this camera. There you go. Alright, so I lubricate this with the WD-40 just to loosen up all the rust there. So we got the, probably gonna use a socket right here, power tool wrench or power tool to just kind of get it loosened up. You can use a normal wrench to loosen it up, but I think this one is much faster. It's a 14 millimeter long socket wrench. See, it's come much easier once you lubricate that. Let's put that on the side. That's the other one. Yep, and I got this loose up already, so just pretty much just 3 bolt holding down the top knuckle of the suspension, and then the bottom will gonna go ahead and take that off too. There's actually a big bolt there. So that one. Next, I haven't taken out the wheel yet, but I just want to show you guys. You got the BC real suspension here. So here you go. Yeah. So this is the BC one, and let's see. Rear left. So yeah, so this is so just make sure you got the right one in the right side here. So this one is a RL, so rear left. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So go ahead and see if we can get this installed. I will show another video to take this out. But yep, that right there. Okay, other than that, yeah, we'll show another video once it's got installed.